Okay. Okay. And how do they work? Can you show us the brushes?
This one has 4 brushes. So here.
What do the brushes do?
Suck up dirt. So I try.
They suck up dirt. What else do they suck up?
Right?
What else?
I try.
Okay. How did that one work?
Good.
Does it have good suction?
It's a bush. Of course,
That's okay.
Char, what do you have sometimes on your blanket? On your green blanket?
the free.
Make sweeps.
It's like dice and ball. It's like dice. So this is ball. Oh, now the virus.
Try again.
I'm going to get Daddy. Oh man, I'm going to get Daddy's back.
I thought we were just doing these.
Why don't you get your green blanket out and show the people how you vacuum it?
Make carpet sweeps on there?
No.
We'll do a different video with Daddy's vacuum.
Yeah, we'll do a different one.
Get your blanket out and show them how it works.
Yes.
Okay. I'll get it.
How it works. It's how sweeps. It's on carpet, no sweep.
All right. So what's on that carpet you're trying to vacuum up?
Pet hair.
Mm.
I need to warm up first. It's warmed up. Okay?
How'd it work?
Okay? I put it back in my bed. In case I need it. In case it's
Is there anything else you want to show the people about your vacuums?
like my tank is empty. I picked up in there. I picked up.
How'd you pick that stuff up?
So, stump it out. Stump it out.
On the floor?
Yes, and vacuum it up again.
That's fine. You can do that.
What would you say is the best vacuum?
Like this one.
That
What is
one?
that?
A Mila cat dog.
The Mila cat dog.
You turn it on.
Here, tell the people what kind of vacuum is the best.
Yeah. I see.
Well, you can't see because you're behind the camera.
But you can still tell them what's the best.
Yeah.
What is the best vacuum?
It's dump it out now.
You're not going to tell them what the best vacuum is?
Yeah, and you dump it out.
We'll tell the people and then we can dump it. Tell the people what the best vacuum is.
And Dyson.
The Dyson ball. And
Mila cat dog.
the Mila Cat and Dog. Would you like to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.